All right, guys, so we're going to go over a couple main features for you guys. We don't want to give away too many Easter eggs, as they call them, because I like to let you guys learn and see different features for yourself. But we'll show you guys what it looks like, what you get in the box. That way you come prepared. So this is the charging cable, and if this is your first time using a magnetic charger, don't worry, we'll show you guys how that works. So they give you a nice manual, multi-language manual as well. They give you, looks like, either extra watch band pins. Yeah, so they're extra. So let's go ahead and show you guys how this works here. So this is your watch. Nice silicone straps. It says function button, press to return. So you press that to return. Before use, please charge to activate the watch. So you just simply peel this off. And over here, this is how you activate it and this is how you charge it. So you're going to feel magnet. If it doesn't stick completely, that's because it's backwards. So you do it like that, and it automatically sticks on both of those little metal pads right there. Nice looking watch. All right, guys, so once you have it connected into a USB port, it's going to give power, and as you see, it says hello. You can actually disconnect it then if you want, and it's going to be touch screen. So we select. So then you're going to scan to bind it. So guys, open your manual and there's going to be a barcode to scan, and open up the app and you follow the directions from there. So you're going to go through the app, you're going to select all this stuff, and that way it gets synced. So this already found ours. We didn't have to even do anything. And then on here, you're going to tap yes. So it's going to bind it. Yeah, we didn't even have to search it. So far, super easy. So we're not going to go over too many features right now on the app. I'll just show you, quickly how you guys can see, keep records, and all this different stuff. There's going to be so much that you guys can do on here, so you're going to have fun playing with it. There's tons and tons of settings. I mean, literally tons and tons, so you're going to have a lot of fun. But this is how it looks. Really nice looking. So at the top you have your temperature. So it says the temperature, you're going to sync that up to Celsius, Fahrenheit, and everything else. You can set everything so you can see your steps, sleeping, BPM, temperature, the weather. You got music you can play when you have that synced up. Let's see what else you guys can do. So we're just checking everything for you guys. Sometimes if you press up and down, so if you press that way, you can get notifications. If you press up, you have all these other settings as well. If we go over, you have activity data, heart rate, SpO2, sleep. You got workout records. You have alarm clock, weather, stopwatch. You have timer, you have music, you have camera, you have breathing training, you have find my phone, female health, you have settings. You can change your watch faces, screen time, menu style, vibrations, language, fit notifications, battery, QR code, power off, reset, and about. So overall, guys, you have so many features. I think you guys are going to have a lot of fun with this.